Hey, hi everybody, and welcome back. Today we're going to be unboxing the GMG conversion kit for Sazabi. So this particular Sazabi is based out of for Mania Sazabi design. Alright, it was produced in 2012, so I was very lucky that it has been recasted, and let's have a look at it. From the designs, I like it a lot because it's different from the current anchorettes Sazabi, which you see quite a lot online, but you hardly see this fella, so I quite like it. And there are a lot of internal frame showing, right? You can see. So as you know, I like to have all these details. Okay, so the unique thing about this kit is that it uses Shazaku's 2.0 body as the frame, and then you attach all this on top of it. So it doesn't use the Sazabi Verka unit as the base. I think one of the reasons being at that point in time, right, it wasn't released yet, so they were actually using this. Okay, so let's open up the instruction manual and have a look at it. So it has decals as well, and the instruction. The backpack is totally different, as well as the propulsion tank. Gun is different as well, and so is the shape of the shield. It's actually like two pieces. See, Sazabi for Mania. Here's the shield. Set it aside. Oh, casting quality is not bad for a recast. You can see some of the lines are maintained, but of course there's a couple that you need some scribing, but overall it is pretty good. Yeah, pretty good. Quite impressed by it actually. So many tiny parts. Oh, look at that little antenna there, is so fragile. And there's the shield. Bottom part of a huge shield. Looks like a face. The eyes, the mouth, the beard. Lots of details as well. So this will be fun. The legs. Shins, legs, side skirts. There. Very nice. Very nice casting. Funnel. Back funnels. That's the head. Back skirt. Very nice details. gun. It's very clean. I'm actually very happy with it. Very clean details. The other section of the gun. Oh, look at that. Lovely. Look at that. So nice. Beautiful. That's the bottom of the feet. Oh, still got some more to go. A lot of mechanical looking parts, which is very nice. Okay, so very happy with it. Glad that it's of this high quality. I mean, for recast, right, I wasn't expecting this level, so not bad. I'm pretty impressed. Right. So okay, so this will add on to my backlog again, and in the next couple of days I'll be having another full resin kit coming in. So stay tuned and we'll do the unboxing together. So that was another surprise that I found online. So can't wait for it to arrive. Okay guys, once again, take care, stay safe. Do subscribe and like and share to your friends who are in the same hobby, and keep on building. Okay, take care guys, bye.